Welcome to the Benefits of Channel. Today, let's discuss pineapples. They're juicy, they're delicious, they're the taste of sunshine. But did you know they are packed with goodness? Today, let's explore this tropical treasure. We'll uncover the amazing benefits hiding inside this spiky fruit. Pineapples are more than just a tasty treat. They're full of vitamins, minerals, and things that make your body happy. We're going to dive into all of that. Get ready for some fun facts. From boosting your immune system to helping your tummy feel great, pineapples are a true gift from nature. This essay is your guide to understanding this amazing fruit and how to enjoy it. So grab a fork and get ready. We're about to discover the wonderful world of pineapple power. Let's talk nutrients. Pineapples are bursting with good things. Imagine a fruit packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber all wrapped up in a delicious package. That's pineapple. 1 cup of this juicy fruit gives you a big dose of vitamin C. That's the vitamin that helps your body fight off those pesky colds. But wait, there's more. Pineapples are also a good source of manganese. Manganese is a mineral that helps your bones stay strong. It also helps your body use other important nutrients. Don't forget about fiber. Pineapple is full of it. Fiber is like a superhero for your digestion. It keeps things moving smoothly and helps you feel full and satisfied. Let's talk about digestion, something we all do. Pineapples are like a best friend to your belly. They contain an amazing enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain is like a tiny helper that breaks down proteins in your food, making them easier to digest. Think of bromelain as a little Pac-Man, gobbling up all the tough protein bits in your tummy. This makes digestion smoother and can even help with bloating and indigestion. But bromelain's talents don't stop there. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. That means it can help calm down inflammation in your digestive system. So next time you're feeling a bit off after a meal, reach for some pineapple. It's a natural and delicious way to soothe your stomach and aid digestion. Section 4, Immunity and Overall Well-Being. Beyond digestion, pineapples are champions of overall well-being. First up, their high vitamin C content makes them immunity superstars. Vitamin C is like your body's personal bodyguard against those nasty bugs that try to bring you down. But pineapples don't stop there. They also contain antioxidants. Antioxidants are like little warriors that fight off harmful molecules called free radicals. Free radicals can damage your cells and lead to all sorts of health problems. Eating pineapple regularly can help boost your immune system and protect your body from those pesky free radicals. It's like giving your body a suit of armor, but the benefits of this tropical fruit go beyond just physical health. Some people believe that pineapple can even boost your mood thanks to its vitamin B6 content. Vitamin B6 helps your brain produce serotonin, a feel-good chemical. Section 5. Potential health considerations. While pineapples are generally safe and healthy, there are a few things to keep in mind. Some people are allergic to pineapple, so it's important to be cautious if you're trying it for the first time. Pineapple is also acidic. Eating too much might cause some tingling or soreness in your mouth. If you experience this, just cut back a bit on the amount you're eating. Pregnant women should also be careful with pineapple. Bromelain, while generally beneficial, can have effects on the uterus in large quantities. It's always best to talk to your doctor before adding new foods to your diet, especially during pregnancy. Remember, moderation is key. Enjoy pineapple as part of a balanced diet and listen to your body. If you have any concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor or a registered dietitian. Section 6. Preparing the tropical treat. Now for the fun part. Enjoying pineapple. Luckily, preparing this tropical treat is super easy. Start by twisting off the top and bottom of the pineapple. Next, use a sharp knife to slice off the spiky skin. You can cut the pineapple into rings, chunks, or whatever shape you like. Just be sure to remove the tough core in the center. Once your pineapple is prepped, the possibilities are endless. Enjoy it fresh, grilled, in smoothies, salsas, or even on pizza. Get creative and have fun with it. Pineapple also stores well. Keep it in the fridge for up to 5 days or freeze it for longer storage. That way you can enjoy this tropical delight anytime you want. Section 7, embrace the pineapple power. So there you have it, the wonderful world of pineapple. This amazing fruit is not just delicious, but also incredibly good for you. From boosting your immune system to aiding digestion, pineapple is a true gift from nature. So next time you're at the grocery store, grab a pineapple and embrace its tropical power. Your body will thank you. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. With pineapple, you can enjoy vibrant flavor and incredible health benefits all in one delicious package. Now go forth and enjoy the tropical goodness. Add some sunshine to your diet and experience the amazing benefits of pineapple. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found the information helpful and enjoyable. Please remember the content is for educational purposes and is not a substitute for medical advice. Please consult your healthcare professional before making any significant health decisions regarding diet, exercise, and lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Also, remember to check the links for additional resources. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.